Headed on a boat cruise for 16 bucks. It's a bit crowded, but it's a vibe, it's fun. Good job.
I got one! Yay!
Good job. Sushi. Real good.
After dinner, we jumped in the water to try to see bioluminescence. We didn't have any luck.